Okay, we're going to see now how can we add color to our sculptures. Well, the first thing is that in this version we still don't have the icon for painting. And that is because it is still in development. Maybe at the moment you get the course, it is active and visible, but right now that is in development, we need to activate manually from here. Go to Interface and activate Developer Extras, and now here in Experimental, we need to activate Sculpt Vertex Colors and also this option Tools with Missing Icons. Go to Object Mode and then to Sculpt Mode again. And now we're going to have all these new icons in the sculpting mode. One of these icons is called Paint, this one here. I will select it and I will draw here, and I should be painting, but we can't see anything, and that is because here we need to activate the colors of the vertex. So here in the viewport shading, in color, I will select vertex. I recommend you also to select a neutral matcap like this one. The first one, this one, because the studio lighting is not very precise. So I will activate this matcap, activate the vertex, and here I can start painting. We can see that we can see the influence of the paint. So from this color wheel, we can select the color. I will try to find a color similar to the human skin and start painting like this. Here I can also activate the symmetry. I want to make this color lighter and less saturated. And there we go. So painting your sculptures is very simple, actually. You only need to select the color and paint with the brush. You have the same values for the radius and the strength and the pressure of the pen. We have also this tool here, the smear tool. And at this moment, I think this brush is not working well. I will try to make a very contrasted stroke to check the brush. Select smear and no, it is not working now. And this is why these icons are hidden in the interface, because this brush is not working well right now. It's still in development. With the S shortcut, we can pick the color we have in the cursor. For example, I will select here this color with S, that is a little reddish, or this one that is more yellowish. And well, somewhere down here we have our brush, this one, color filter. This brush is to modify the value of the parameters we have selected here. For example, I have hue, and if we drag, it is going to modify the hue of the colors of my model. We can do it with saturation as well. Move it up to saturated more and move it down to desaturated. We can do the same with the value. Moving the cursor up, it is going to be lighter, and moving it down is going to be darker. We also have to increase the brightness, the contrast, and some other options. And well, at the moment of rendering, I'm going to change this to material mode. And when we are going to render, this color information is not going to be visible. And that is because that information is stored in the vertex information, right here, in the Sculpt Vertex Colors, and this is called color. These are the colors we just painted in this model. So if I want to render those colors, I need to go here to the shader editor. I will create a new material, and with Shift A, I'm going to add with input vertex color. Put it here, and here I will select the name of the color we have stored here. In fact, you can store several different color informations. So select this one and then connect it to the base color. And there it is. So at the moment of rendering, you need to do this operation in order to render the colors. And well, with this we have finished with the fundamentals, and in the next video we are going to start with our character project.